Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to put about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have du equals to e to the power of s ds. First derivative of this one, you got about this one. First derivative of this one, this is about the constant. So that means you got about 0. So this one, we put about u about e to the power of s ds, we change by du. The integration of this one, you got about negative cosine u, and we put about c about u, that's e about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.